Today we're replacing the factory JZ knock sensors. Here you can see the front knock sensor. Remember, the JZ has two. I find it easiest to use a 27mm long socket and a breaker bar. However you want to get in there, I totally understand. Once the sensor is broken loose, twist it out by hand. Remember to do the same for the rear sensor. Here's a factory JZ single pin knock sensor. These factory sensors are ground through the engine that's ground through the chassis. We will be replacing them with Bosch 2-pin flat response knock sensors. Wiring for that will be done in a separate video, so stay tuned. To mount the sensors, we will be installing studs into the block and using a nut to secure them into place. Before installing the studs, using a blade, I make sure the mounting surface is flat and free of any paint or corrosion. Knock sensors are basically microphones for your engine. You want a good, clean, flat surface. Shown here are the studs that we're going to be using to mount the sensors to. The shorter thread side will go into the block. Twist the studs all the way into the block by hand. Now we can slide the sensor onto the mounting stud and secure the sensor with the nut. Torque the nuts down to 11 foot-pounds. It's very important you don't over-tighten these. That's it for this video. As always, thank you for watching.